The failure rate of your pipeline indicates the number of failed builds or deployments over a specific period. Monitoring the failure rate helps you identify potential bottlenecks or issues in your pipeline. Azure Monitor can be used for this purpose. Azure Monitor provides comprehensive monitoring for Azure resources, including pipelines. It collects data on pipeline failures and allows you to set up alerts based on specific failure thresholds. These alerts help you address issues proactively, maintaining pipeline health. Configuration: enable metrics and diagnostic logs. Metrics include success rate, average duration, and failure rate. Diagnostic logs capture detailed information about pipeline runs, including errors and warnings. Here's an example of how you can enable Azure Monitor for a pipeline. Duration monitoring. Monitoring the duration of your pipeline is crucial. Longer durations indicate performance issues that can impact overall efficiency. Azure DevOps provides built-in capabilities for this. Azure Pipelines allows tracking the duration of individual pipeline runs, identifying outliers, and analyzing performance trends over time. Use the Azure Pipelines REST API to retrieve the duration of pipeline runs. Custom scripts or PowerShell can automate monitoring and reporting. Here's an example of how you can retrieve the duration of pipeline runs using the Azure Pipelines REST API. Flaky tests monitoring. Flaky tests produce inconsistent results, leading to false positives or false negatives. Monitoring and addressing flaky tests is essential for pipeline reliability. Azure DevOps supports various test frameworks and provides tools to detect and monitor flaky tests. Azure Test Plans can manage test cases, track executions, and identify flaky tests. Group test cases and test suites. Schedule test runs and capture results. Analyze results to identify and mark flaky tests. Built-in reporting visualizes trends and tracks improvements over time. Here's an example of how you can mark a test case as flaky using Azure Test Plans. So, that's an overview of monitoring pipeline health using various methods.